Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Julian, and this is Libby, and we are from BoxedMeeples. So, for this favourite game Friday, we're talking about big event games.
Yeah, and this could be for some people ones that you would have at conventions and things like that. Um, and for me, I think those kind of games are like new, just discovering things, or I might take small little games that you can play with a high player count. So for me, that doesn't really hit it. This for me is more about a really exciting big box game that I either don't get to table very often or maybe for the first time proper. You've learned all of the rules and things and sort of roughly gone through it, but you haven't had like an in-depth proper play. And I think that that sort of event of having people round and getting your teeth into the game that you're super excited about for the first time is it's just epic. The excitement for that is great. And the next one for me is Vindication. We picked it up at UK Games Expo, as some of you might have seen in our haul video. It's a huge box. Obviously, I'm not holding the whole thing. I'd be weighed down. um, and obviously, we'll just play with the base game to start with, and then sort of maybe start to add some bits in later. But yeah, I cannot wait to sort of get to grips with this and find out how it all works.
Now, I was tempted to do the obvious. I was tempted to do Blood on the Clock Tower because there's something very special
Yeah.
about when you get everyone around together and you're all playing that game. Well, I think I prefer the game. So, in fact, I know I do. I love this game at 2 players. I love it at 4 players. But every time we played it at the full 7 player count, it's been a fantastic evening.
Yeah, and it feels very different to when we play it at a two. So it does feel like more of an event
Yeah.
when you're getting that full play count and you've got that big board out. Yeah.
Yeah, I love it when you're each playing your own factions, especially when you're equal abilities and you're racing to the factory, and then you can't help but have battles at that big player count. And it gets all kind of competitive as your strategy has to evolve and change as the people around you are playing. And I really love it when those games kind of stretch out for sort of 3, 4 hours, and it's a real nail biter at the end.
Yeah, and you're very much paying attention to your sort of those either side of you go, "Oh, did you just get a big help? Thank you very much," and take your little bonus and things like that. At higher player count, all of those sort of things start happening a bit more, and it gets so interactive between the
Yeah,
players.
it really feels like really special occasions when you play with the
Mm.
big player counts. But what game is your big event game? What game have you played maybe with lots of people and you thought that was a real standout moment for me? Do let us know down in the comments below. And if you're new to our channel, do consider liking this video and subscribing if you want to see more stuff like this.
Yeah, we would love to hear from you. We are, as we said at the beginning, Box Meeples, and we do 2 to 3 videos a week all about board games. So if you love them as much as we do, we would love it if you would follow along with our journey.
And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Bye.